Portions restaurants, local and continental food. You know, aha, maybe you know, now last chance a corner dohara. You know, one number is 030277362. Na after one will do another but my friend 0597435345. Portions restaurant. Aha, na Badwam Ahosepe no easy free. Is it no a the fancy door president for the Brothers and Sisters Association? Na the pay so no nyame ayama Adom ama menya ntumi ekuku da ben odo anapana bobo gospel no mo ka mu na aza fie na bobo gospel na de ye worship na amazing gospel artist na kasa na bezebro wo fie say mo share Makers House, the Makers House Sunday one church service mo join bia anytime I'm who there one money microphone don't go to me bia na say and we do because rabano Adom anyame is that to no so papa mo pantile ne ba no to na no to zina do because na woni pa do be yin chere kase is ama henyi na me hia no da na anyame ahe na Adom de so abowe yi poma okwen mu ntino yasam na ye hye ne bi o me yasana yamma na akwaba mbra Ahosepe bi o na yemi sama do obi fufu bi na azore ye na ada onye mo mo nkomo EFE Grace and pay good morning.
Good morning.
We are
Adom now.
Bibi aboko.
Adom.
Oh, we papa. Nyame Adom ochina. Na nyame za afi kola ka ma afi ho.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you. EFE Grace more happy birthday dan ti no no hasamara yen. Mami eri ejuma. Nyame reuse papa. And the way I calm Ferraz kakra na esa dey shy na if a microphone na the
different all together.
How does that happen?
I don't know. I think say nyame ene shama holding mama holding, you know, to do that. And you know, time here say me cost is say me minister, it's a different thing altogether. Me come me back after now me share. You see, wow, this is the doing of the Lord.
Oh, was an amazing yes. Into the or a total takeover anytime you are on the stage, Anna. It's not.
May allow myself for the Holy Spirit to take over, or the may any open. I think that's what happens. Yes.
Okay. So no, even with stage, if you offer the
EFE,
but say full stage now, not grace no.
At us.
I was so catching the meaning there new program here, but understand me pede ye twetwe nkomo efa ho kakra. Performances mean there aye bia me personally me call YouTube just to see EFE Grace performance. I have a lot of favorites. Of what performances, but more is not your favorite part, and why did the performance not your favorite?
Honestly, I don't think I have a favorite. I think say ministration be any day Yankopon and you know ministration be my piano. I think it blesses me. Because you know, and it blesses me. So I don't think I have a favorite.
Nina power. Nina powerhouse. Echo YouTube never EFE Grace. Where everybody Badwam Ahosepe and the piano epede worshiper. EFE Grace, you know, to share. Na again worshipable. Into no, there Erica there won't bless you into no. Maybe sir, is there any song one kasaya? Even the menu now we no one kasa situation be answer the women about our baby sure.
Okay, I think say one of the songs personally speaking to me. I'm a papa no Yeho and my bank say yeah, that song is a personal blessing to me because Mama to reason a mema ato so much trust. Them ato you man a different person. That's how the most my child when you into Yehovah the bank so to her. Yehovah can be uti. Yeah, it's a media mistake before. Oh, Yehovah ne ma bankasi. Miss John your time for baye. O time for no be man e won sweat ya me Midye bibianye me Yehowa ni ma bankese Yehowa ni ma bankese.
And you know what? I come up, Papa. The time now, Papa showing you. Not Isha is there.
I was small. I'm sure I'm be 12, 13 years, I'm sure. And
my how was the feeling like? There will be a young girl now, Papa, to release a young heavy them.
Okay, me solid there, na me shut down homes in Sansobi because na me sir. But I think some me being in here, no, and from any of my mission, especially if me Papa or no, you know, I felt say nyame de me Papa Juma, you know, he's really called to do this. So yeah. Me nam the footsteps so me can say.
Okay. Into what is it about the song?
It speaks to me lyrics, no. You say you go through Niema Bebre or Yasimo. You know, sometimes I went through me personally. I've gone through stuff before. You know, before I made into full-time ministry. And those were one of the songs that Namitia, you know, it encourages me say no matter what I'm going through, God is with me. What I say, no matter how battle necessity, no matter the troubles, what comes my way, you know, I have God. You know.
Say you wonder when you problem. Hey, what's that?
We all go through issues.
Superstar. Yo, the superstar. You problem, yeah. You know, me pede yanka oyanapa and me a shop ade. Ministry inspires all the time. It's like an opinion and a pay. Me pede a share a story of sitting near a home and how you from no on to be now.
So I think way back 2016, 2017, na BBC in Mebusiemu, you know, not me mama home for some time, you know, and along that time now, so me akasa. You know, my relationship, my people around me, like a whole lot of things happen. Betrayals, the disappointments here and there. Got to a point in time now I say people are all looking up to them, say, you know, they'll be there for you, you know, alongside what I was going through in Mebusiemu.
It
wasn't an easy one.
You can't even rely on anyone.
It wasn't an easy one. It's, you know, time why I had to go through Sanya. It's one time. Na me bumpy me soon, you know, and I heard a voice speak to me, say, if I would leave everything behind and let him take charge, I would see what he would do with my life. I heard that voice, it was so clear. Until after that encounter, I felt peace. I felt so much peace with him. So I decided to let everything go and then, you know, put everything on him. Until that time, I'm hear jazz music, I'm hear secular, so we joined just to focus on the things of God and, you know.
I reckon the amazing,
God talks, Okasa.
It's the voice. Boy, he spoke to you clearly on your instinct.
Like speaking in so many ways, actually. Sometimes over the voices, sometimes and so. Ebia preacher be preachy, you know. So what's here? Like if you open your ears, well, obete. So many signs. So many signs. If you walk cry echo, if you are trouble, be a good candidacy. You make a such.
I see.
In so many ways, yeah.
I mean, you have a power. And
you're very distracting, you know. We don't, yeah.
But I mean, you won't casa, Mammy Kill the portions restaurants, and now I had easy breakfast, papa. The lie won't be. Oh no, in our year or had now, Audrey, we are bronza, zibizi, or had it. Bomozanara na from one number from CCR say a pede elder breakfast or home while we are available by a moment come on so no persons and cry bullet the phone clear. We are braids but I had a jollof. What for jollof? A jollof for papa one can have na Portions restaurant ni bi dem jollof na frɛ bi na ka dem kɔcho mate no Adom TV what's jollof papa no e kan dem na jollof na we bomo nti no frɛ Portions sesia o 0302777 for Portions restaurant na se pele ba ha de so onye yira kon pra ibi jolu it's a last chance o jolu ha na wo do honom na o ye wooden structure where you come papa bomozara na fa ha de mamatic wo do yuzuza bibia wa ha bia mpedu be say ha de bibia wa ha de pub wa ha club wa ha bibia be pele be ye wo he bia no e kwan no honom Portions ati na enyi ho ne mbohwi mbo if me sir the way eye shy na empe kasa no na enye fame aka ho no o wa
Dabi
how until after
any easy there, but obeying it is part of what I'm doing. Maybe I'm a Sarah, the song one, or Mama Mode, or Mama Kokojo, to do what he's called me to do.
Okay, yeah. But I'm details apart. On a normal day, I say, Asia Obi, Asia.
Of course, me open up.
Okay.
Yeah, open up to them.
Okay. Yeah. But is it the Grace Effect? Yeah. Second record, and third record.
Second one. First one here in 2023. But this time around, it's happening on August 81st. It will make us have Chapel International Hacho Choir, right? Time here 4 p.m.
Family of 4 p.m. 31st August. Oh, the Makers House.
The Makers House.
The whole of the hospital and said, "I am very friendly." Last year, I know some crabo. So last year's celebration center hall, but Adom this year, your papa Dr. Bodin Ameche or the bigger auditorium no am the honor. Oh wow.
Yeah, no, this
year.
Oh
wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
it's a ticketed just to support what we are doing. So students here 100, standard here 150.
Okay.
VIP at 300, VVIP at 500, and a family of 5 years 650.
Okay. Let's say that the muko feeling now, baby, I don't want but no has some origin. Now, what's in there? My young come one task there. Open the map video need each other. You put a video no. Hey. What's that? Who music video. Yeah. Who would that? If you grace more chance, you know the Makers House, not almost the music video. But we all the life in our music video and open into no back and what's on now most of what other activities no apart from
okay, so it's a live recording concert. You've been recording new songs, you've been feature other gospel ministers, great gospel ministers as well. And alongside there will be ministrations from ministers maybe on board. So we have Joe Metal, we have J. Kalenka, or a US-based gospel artist. We have Pastor Isaiah Fosukwache, Kwekute, Mami Sisi Trim, Lordina the soprano, and a team eternity.
Squad and
Yasem Kitso.
Now, obey come on so papa. The Makers House, mom location.
Hacho. I think it's a near School of Allied Sciences. I'm right.
Oh, they make atomic.
Yeah.
One the Makers House. So for Bedi, Michael Bedi, Namishe, Nasser, Intino, Ohana Yeroko. They are concerning Yame, the Madano. Now, first one, Miami. Into no the second one you so know. Yame, Bamana Sado Papa. Now, drama be called do, but so, Mamma,
yes, eternity is on. And that was of Jones source.
But me, Padabi would praise so. I think that's
surprise though.
That's surprise. Only you move there. I don't follow.
Yeah, me.
Okay.
I'll surprise you, don't worry.
Okay, is it because of your personality? Because you come into the it towards the worship. Yeah. So that's about it. But I can't now I shall come with me. Now invite me. But before that, no, maybe today, a bring a yabwe. I am not usually you will be. Yes, yeah. I mean, the Biamaka, we answer Abrabono, Zobisi Womubiano, Papo Bono. It has implications or Oja or Abrabo. If it's good news, hooray. So I bad news so far. Oja, lesson be my a lesson. Never had a throughout life.
I think say idea about lessons I mentioned the kind eh bibi aware wa asasi su bia no manyankopon in the wenim. Never go ahead of nyankopon say o make decision bia na say wo ye bibia fatu nyankopon wenim ansana because we nim ade nyina ntino so wo de to nenim a obele do ye end well. And secondly, humility they be ameka ahombase Bible cracker or say obe onwase a obede obema also intino be onwase e mani pa no matter the level ni pa no so ya akra so ye penny because we need maybe on one be fear so you have to be humble and I feel loyalty loyalty e ade ba ko in here be loyal relationships are be loyal. Loyalty is expensive.
If expect loyalty, but one can say one year there. I think the abo very important. You may be there. If you do you get angry?
I do.
What's the worst you have done?
Oh, sometimes they go aha. To say be a only be a juma now expect to say be a nipano, or like ebe call senior usipena enconesa sometimes uti me get away kaka but then Bible aka also wait me am above but then emma I didn't change food yeah I just make sure say
I didn't right food okay no ha samara if a grace and na yenye no twetwe nkomo o hade na oh and breakfast is
soon
and I fast na
me say it's die anyway
before you call 31st recording no EFE nasa
yes
oh nam no
obasa
but mo na is my abis vampire we na jemo
it's open here our brains kajuwa
abis vampire we na jemo
iduane okay I think say me pe banku and okro stew pa pe fufu so kakra yeah anya wo ni bia hwo ahahha wona kakra wo the way we are the banku na de anya wo ni bi so wona I get the experience no fufu so na chere be me free na santi mo be dem bia santi mai mu wa
okay no was a marine if abehim pa onye easy but me sure pa dey we nim show we chira we pio me bodu dam e bia wo first TV experience wo first radio experience and a radio interview and abi e be da dam ko fana sa
okay so first of all me da nyankopon ase person na we bi okwa we ama me me na juma secondly so me da me papa or a great covering pa mama Reverend Mensa was on an originator of the first go Yehovah na mabanke say or a great blessing to me meaning so time echi or one pie mama pa and so I really appreciate him say onona odi many lady me I'm a bit the same way and I messa that me papa Dr. Bodinya Meche for being such a blessing to the ministry, especially what they, bigger auditorium say am I to the Grace Effect 2025 is amazing. To the leadership of Maker's House, I'm really, really grateful. Thank you so much. To my team, making sure say, it would be a blessing to the body of Christ. I mean, Shamo, I feel that media houses, they have been, great support, industry. Players, the likes of Ninoy, Obinate, amazing people. And to Daddy, Mr. Kofi, well, but way back, I think it's 2018 was time, and I made a basso. Or tell me in camp, he reached out to me, or mommy opportunity, or I don't praise, from them. He's been such a blessing to me.
I think, or your COVID time, Nana.
No, I think it was before the COVID time. That's what I think I'm to say. And those people almost saw me more when I was coming up those times in Namishano. Okay. And to Adom TV, thank you for this opportunity. And to you as well.
Etumna ebana ebe cancer in my hand. Now, Is it no? We said them bojo. I engaged Anna.
Oh yeah, my engaged.
When you're complicated.
When you're complicated.
Fully engaged.
Fully.
And your brother is bojo. I almost send the application. I will see with the back eye. I quite know. EFE, I didn't look at the same worry. I
won't forget it. Hey, we are quite down. They are going down.
And then from the horse's own mouth, Mama crashing in I must say, impossible crashing. Why? And I must say, before I hear Bocolo, I can't be far. I can't for the fact that I accept lie jazz, but compared to gospel now, area now, which one is better?
For me, dear, I believe say I've been called to do this. It's, you know, I've never regretted, you know, doing full-time gospel music, doing the things of God, the work of God. It's been so much of a blessing.
No one some in EFE, I can't really watching. Not invite to be more bright, basically.
Okay, so Pacho, at you for me person take the opportunity to invite you to the Grace Effect 2025. Also, the Makers House Chapel, Destiny Arena on the 31st of August. Time near 4 p.m. sharp. I feel so moving to me at tickets just to help us, you know, help this program. Tickets, you know, it goes for 100 seats for students, 150 for standard, 300 VIP, 500 VVIP, and a family of 5, AS 650. Yeah. Sharp.
Now, before I go quick. Last recording, no. Simi sola na you know when you man dem you I tell you but wasn't releasing my head you bebre a minim there up to now only out it's no pocho ya na for them you na for breaking but that's for papa there and pay about cards it's no aha and I'm be see portions or for moving numbers na eja makoba malo do China da it's no portions restaurants and I want to see bebre the way we want abo ato ho exam my hand me yetumi abet na one is when you come a higher fee bibia ya jajaja to je wa hade brana waso benye the experience dey before 0302777362 bomozana for portions na brabeji ways wo baby nezi na ba share papa wa hade what's go fikina temu na bushus na wa hana na it's no bremati na izen no the front do follow social media front do bongo baby a me na e follow wo ho no we be kofi ampodu head of productions and making so be camera opd or sitting so no ja bi sababa pa me na si ye ba one more studio ho nyanya me show one na me ha do ma ye be share and then Lizzie no chu me for na si ma sorry